Hi, I'm Eng Tat from SG Enable.
Hi, I'm Yang Wen from Vital.
Hi, I'm Kavita from Vital.
Hi, I'm Pek Wan from SPD.
Vital hires about 13 persons with disabilities today, PWDs, ranging from autism, hearing impairment, as well as physical disabilities. They comprise about 2.5% of our workforce, performing various tasks such as digitization of personnel files, finance services, and payroll and claims. Beyond that, we also work with partners as well as service providers who hire PWDs. So for example, we've recently outsourced the management of customer service help desk to SPD.
Let me share more on how we first started hiring PWDs. So in 2016, we set up a team to do the digitization project. As part of corporate social responsibility, we hired 5 officers on the autism spectrum in the first place. But these officers did well in their role, and we subsequently hired more. At this point, we have 8 officers on the autism spectrum in our digitalization services team.
I think the key to inclusive hiring is really not to look at it purely as doing charity or corporate social responsibilities. We have to focus on creating a win-win for the PWDs as well as for Vital as an organization. So in Vital, a lot of our strategies centered around good skills to job matching, purposeful engagement, as well as the use of tech tools. I think beyond that, as an organization, Vital truly benefited from enhanced employer value proposition. We are now an organization that embraces upskilling, upward mobility, regardless of qualification, regardless of ability type.
Indeed, in fact, in our digitalization services team, we do see higher productivity level among our officers on the autism spectrum. In fact, 2 of them are amongst the top 15% of scanners as part of the digitization process. Some of them also picked up new skills like robotics process automation or data analytics. For example, Tian Xiong, our autistic officer, was involved in an RPA project to automate the tracking of files in our inventory list. This project saved 600 man-hours annually with the use of a virtual bot.
I think Vital's efforts in its inclusive hiring journey are well reflected in its strong culture and ecosystem where supportive managers and co-workers help employees with disabilities to thrive at the workplace on a day-to-day basis. I'm heartened to see the diverse roles being taken up by people with disabilities in Vital. For all these efforts, Vital has been awarded the Enabling Mark, a national accolade which is definitely well-deserved. Moving forward, we at SG Enable look forward to working closely with Vital to help people with disabilities in the years to come.
SPD and Vital's partnership has grown steadily over the last 3 years, with SPD hiring more than 20 of our PWD clients so far. Working at Vital, it has not only improved their financial situation, but more importantly, their self-regard. Vital truly walks the talk. They engage in job carving and look into tasks that best match the abilities of our PWD clients. They also look into fiscal accessibility, communication approach that accommodate our PWD clients. Vital is truly deserving of the Enabling Mark, setting the bar for the public services.
Hi, I'm Jin Xiong from Vital's digitalization team. I joined Vital in 2017 after graduating from Nanyang Polytechnic. I've been performing digitalization works of documents. I am happy with my current job. The colleagues here are very friendly and supportive too. Over the years, I've been given opportunities to upskill myself. I took a course to learn RPA software for Studio X, which allows me to build virtual bots to improve productivity. For example, I work with my colleagues to automate a process which involves a huge number of records in the inventory list where the search was done manually. After we automated the search process using a virtual bot, we managed to save about 600 man-hours annually.
Hi, I am Myron. I'm from Vital's digitalization team too. I've been doing digitalization work since I joined Vital in 2018, but I've also been given opportunities to explore other areas of work. Earlier this year, I completed Nanyang Polytechnic's Certificate in Data Analytics course, which was sponsored by Vital. I have learned useful data analytics skills and software such as Python and Tableau. After the course, I was assigned a data analytics project to create an e-filing status report and a dashboard for our service partners. As this required Power BI software which was not taught at the course earlier, I took the initiative to learn it on my own.
Hi, I am Jenny from Vital Payroll and Claims Agency team. I joined Vital in 2017 through SG Enable. I am processing payroll for government agencies. I like my job because it's stable and it allows me to learn new skills. Sometimes I face challenges at work because I'm hard of hearing. For example, service partners may want to talk to me on the phone. I have explained that I am unable to take calls. They usually understand and continue to communicate with me through online messages. For those who still prefer to call, my colleagues will step in to help. I am truly blessed with supportive colleagues and the inclusive culture at Vital.
Hi, I'm Jonathan from SPD. I run the SPD Contact Center to empower persons with disabilities to be financially independent through sustainable employment and training. For the pilot project between SPD Contact Center and Vital, we have carefully chosen our SPD client Atira to support this. Even though visually impaired, she is able to answer email queries from Vital's various stakeholders competently. This role has provided Atira with a stable income. And with this secure employment, Atira and her husband has applied for a BTO flat. At the SPD Contact Center, we see work as a means of imparting life skills such as communication, listening skills, and the ability to work together. With our successful partnership with Vital, we hope to encourage more government agencies to come forward in hiring persons with disabilities and creating a more inclusive public service.